Forget about mad scientists and messy laboratories. This incredible, interactive guide for children showcases 101 absolutely awesome experiments you can do at home. Find out how to make a rainbow, build a buzzer, see sound, construct a circuit, bend light, play with shadows, measure the wind, weigh air, and create an underwater volcano. The astonishing variety of experiments are all very easy and entirely safe, with step-by-step text and everyday ingredients. Biology, chemistry, and physics are brought to life, showing budding young scientists that science is all around us all the time. As you have fun trying out experiments with friends and family, core scientific principles are presented in the most memorable way. With chapters covering important topics such as color, magnets, light, senses, electricity, and motion, the laws of science are introduced in crystal clear text alongside specially commissioned full-color photography for children to understand. Follow in the footsteps of Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, and all the other great minds with 101 great science experiments and learn the secrets of science you'll never forget. Find the link below and buy the book now.